about that. This is the first proper spin out on the bike. Bike feels great, but I'm getting used to the throttle and stuff like that as well, so first spin, it's not going to be perfect. But look, once we're safe, that's the main thing. You know, it's a beautiful evening. You can see the difference with the throttle and the torque of it for all the world, but look, take it nice and slow, nice and easy, big step up, but I've been able to do the training, so I can do it. So I'm happy enough chugging along there now, and that extra bit of power is lovely to have, and it's going to be eating for a while because there's one or two little habits that I need to change up, but that's okay. So I need to get used to braking slowly with the back brake when I'm slowing to a stop. Excuse me, but it's nice not to have to fight the bike to go. So a nice breezy night, but I'm going to go for a nice straightforward spin where I know it's fine, and it's just cruising along at 18. That's what I wanted to get a bigger bike for, so it can cruise along at 18, not to be pinning it to the collar on a 125 at 80, and any bit of wind then you're screwed, you know. So it's nice to have that bit of extra power, bit of extra strength I'd rather say, because you know, not into speed or whatever. There's more voice on the bikies. Yeah, happy out now. Going along nicely. What an evening, you know. So it's all part of the new way to go. I hope that you're hearing me properly, because I'm looking to improve the videos obviously as well, but I know it's my first ride and I'm concentrating on riding, but I feel more comfortable talking. So I'm going to go closer here to the white line so I can get a better view of the road. Nothing behind me. Let's get a nice view of the road there and take it nice and easy coming around the bend. You feel the wind, but it's not dictating the bike where it would have on the Marauder. So I'm not taking the Marauder down at all. I absolutely love it, and it's great to start off with. But with any wind like this, I'd be struggling with the Marauder. So I'm going to go closer to the yellow line here. Opens up the whole road. Tractor on the way out there, boys. What I didn't realise is when you're on the back roads and there's cones out, that's actually the farmers putting those out to warm up farm machinery in operation. Whoever knew? Oh hey. So yeah, learn something new every day, know what they say. So I feel super comfy on this. You know, obviously when you're stopping and starting and stuff like that, a bit more of a challenge comes in. But sure, we'll check, we'll indicate, we'll have a little check behind us. So we're going to head over here, head down the street, Straight down the road, just looking where I need to go. Exactly what we need to do. We'll look over here. Very steady turn here going. Yeah, let's get the camera still there. Quite happy cruising along now here at 100. Just nice. Ooh, some crosswind there, lad. So straight down this road. I was going to go out and leave me behind, but I was thinking, you know, only getting used to this bike, so I'll get down the road, less traffic, less hassle. It's like learning the bike all over again. You have that extra bit of power. So the crossings are fairly strong here. Well, fine, I'm going to move over here a bit. See, I'm getting used to as well a new foot position for the gears and for the brakes. So these are more back, not too far back, but the other ones were really far forward. So getting used to this, but it's nice to have that extra bit of power, you know. And you're not struggling up a hill either. You're in control of the hill is not in control of you, like it would be on smaller bikes. So cruising along here, happy out. Oh, plenty, what's the crack? There we go. So the throttle is very much more responsive than any. You touch it and it go on, it wants to go. But at the same time, when you go the other way, it will slow down. The engine braking is a lot stronger in this as well. So look, this is a lovely steady 100 here. That's the max here anyway. It's a lovely 100. This is my first time out on this bike properly. I'm just taking it easy. What a beautiful evening. And just because I passed the module 5 IVT doesn't mean I know everything. I will never know everything on a bike, and that's the way I want it to be. I want to be constantly learning, ready to learn more, and then become a better rider each and every day that I go out. And if I can pass it on to somebody else that's starting off, happy days. Or if somebody else, in any way, if somebody can learn something from me, because I'll definitely learn something from everybody, no matter what level they are. They might have a little trick that works for them, and I'll try it out too. So we all help each other. That's how we all look after each other on the road, because the roads are fun, but the roads are dangerous too. So we all need to look after each other. Park your ego to the side and go out and enjoy yourself. Let your ego when you're having a cup of tea, thinking you're great. So check, indicate, check. You can even hear the engine braking here. It's pretty savage. Very quiet, concentrating on the bike. Yeah, it is starting, it is. I am nervous. I have no problem saying that. I am nervous, but I'm confident in it too, you know. To loosen up on it, but look, when you're on a bigger bike and reacts different, then it's going to take time, and that's what it's all about, the next step.